Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Here I am with yet another poem. So the title of the poem is "And Then We Separated." I don't know why I like writing about separation and heartbreaks. I think hate or separation is way powerful than any love. So this is my opinion. I don't know what is yours. Let me know in the comment. So starting with, life is too short to love you in once. I promise to look for you in the next life. Said by William Shakespeare. Is this true in real life or exists merely in poems? Some people come in our lives just to tell us what love is not. And for this, I have some poems. And here it goes like, I wished you upon the sacred trees, I wished you upon the stars. I begged you to stay, not go, and you left me with thousands of scars. A graveyard was calling me, I went closer to see. It was your heart, dead yet attracting me. A warm day, a chill night, I kept calling your name till I still can fight. At starting, universe conspired us to meet. Now meeting itself doesn't feel so alright. Your existence bloomed the entire garden in me. And you plucked out every flower to give to someone else like you did to my heart. The knife was sharp and the wound was deep. I was crying my heart out in hope you see me weep. I kneeled down and cried to God, please return the person who promised not to go. Before I can see clear, before I get off my fear. I begged you to stay, but you left me on the way. You know, I can't see. You liking someone that's not me. Me who wanted to be your mine. You abandoned yours on the midway. I lost someone who was never mine. I wished you upon the secretaries. I wished you upon the stars. I begged you to stay, not go. And you left me with thousands of scars. तुम कितना ही कस के थामो हाथ वो छूट ही जाएगा. अकेले डर लगेगा, दिल दुखेगा. और फिर एक दिन सब संभल भी जाएगा. So here it is a sad story ending with something optimistic. Let me know in the comment आपको कैसा लगा. I hope अच्छा लगा होगा. मैं काफ़ी सारे पोएम लिख के रखी हूँ लेकिन मेरे को नहीं लगता वो रिकॉर्ड के लायक है, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा ब्रश अप करके थोड़ा रिफाइन करके मैं डाल सकती हूँ. आई थिंक सो आई विल वर्क ऑन दैट. सो फॉर नाउ लेट मी नो कैसा लगा और कैसे इम्प्रूवमेंट मैं कर सकती हूँ. बिकॉज आई लव राइटिंग. मैं कुछ भी लिख देती हूँ फिर मैं रिकॉर्ड कर दूँगी, फिर एट द एंड अच्छा ही रहता है. आई नो, आई ट्रस्ट माई सेल्फ. सो लेट मी नो कैसा लगा और कमेंट में बताना. इसके आगे आपको कंटिन्यू करना है तो कमेंट बॉक्स इज़ योर्स. आप अपना पूरा क्रिएटिविटी डालो और उसको और बहुत इसके और वो निकालो. वर्सेस बोलते हैं क्या, वर्सेस पोएम्स के वर्स. फिर उसके बाद हुक आएगा, फिर गाना बन जाएगा. आई डोंट नो. सो लेट्स एंड द वीडियो. ये बहुत लंबा हो रहा है. बाय. हियर आई एम विलियम शेक्सपियर. ओह, आई डोंट नो.